Không chết đâu, xì cái xì đây. Yeah, do you want to just tell us about the riddle of human excrement?
When you see people in the end of the 20th century carefully digging out and sifting human excrement, you wonder what they're doing and why they're still doing it. This practice, which you find historically very widespread in Eastern Asia and Southern Asia, is something which is puzzling for Europeans, because what they've done is to put animal manure on their fields. So maybe the key to what they're doing here is to do with animals. When human beings developed, they started to domesticate animals, and this led to a whole lot of diseases. But in certain parts of the world, they then eliminated the animals, more or less, because the land was too precious to keep animals on. And so they were then faced with another problem, how to fertilize the fields. And so they used their own manure to put on the fields and to give the energy for the rice. So that's what you're seeing here. Now, by doing that, they solved another problem, which was this huge disease syndrome, which was developed out of animals. All sorts of bacteria live on pigs and sheep and goats and so on. And if you can eliminate those, then you can have a healthier place. You also get rid of the excrement which would get into the water supply by carefully bringing it and putting it on piles like this. So the eastern solution was to use night soil, and it had a beneficial effect in various ways. The western solution, the European solution, and particularly the English, was to develop sanitation systems which would flush away the human excrement. And it may well be that one of the reasons why England was able to industrialize, which depended in turn on a very dense city population, was that they developed the water closet and then public sanitation. And so they solved the problem of human excrement in totally the opposite direction to this. Both are good solutions, but in the end it's the water closet that will probably win out.
I just want to explain.